Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the video open and ready. First, make sure you're signed in if you'll edit or upload captions, otherwise you only enable viewing. Click the gear icon on the player or the three-dot menu and choose Subtitles/CC. If you plan to add or edit your own captions, go to YouTube Studio, pick Content, select the video, and open Subtitles. Once done, you'll see language choices and the Add button. That's your entry point to set English subtitles. Now you choose English and decide how to provide subtitles. If YouTube auto-detected English, select it and click Edit to refine auto-generated text. Make sure to correct errors. If you have a transcript, choose Upload File and pick SRT or VTT for automatic timing, or paste a full transcript to let YouTube auto-sync. Use the timeline editor to adjust start and end times precisely. This matters for readability. Make incremental saves so you don't lose edits while syncing speech to text. Finish by playing the whole video with English subtitles on to check timing, spelling, and speaker breaks. You'll spot pacing issues and cutoffs. When satisfied, click Publish or save as draft if you need review. Make sure visibility settings match your goals. If viewers don't see subtitles, clear browser cache, confirm their player settings allow captions, and verify the video's subtitle track is set to English. If problems persist, re-upload a corrected SRT.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.